nap there, Bear? Huh? You be a good boy, okay? You good boy, watch the house. Alright? I'm gonna be gone for a little while. Oh, she's a beautiful one today, boys. But anyways, welcome back everybody to the Redneck Enterprise channel. Today we got something not special, but something that needed to happen. Cooper today is getting a new windshield because, as you can see, this one's pretty trashed. It's got a bunch of cracks in it. And I wanted to put new glass in this truck, but today we're gonna go see my friend Randy at Ultimate Glass. He's gonna give us a new windshield. Well, not give us, but he's gonna install it for us and all that. It'll be one of the few things I don't actually do this truck because I'm not a glass guy. But you know what? Let's get a quick cold start in today. It sounds pretty good, I have to say. Throw on the head mount, and then we'll drive over there. Okay, sounds good. And there we go, we're on the head mount. Yeah, see that little kind of shack looking place right there that doesn't look like it belongs in a business quarter? That there is Ultimate Glass, Randy's glass shop. And this is probably the best glass guy in the entire county. Trust me, he's a good one. Oh geez, I don't have very much time. I'm gonna need to go for it. There we go. All right, here we are, Ultimate Glass. Y'all ever need anything for your glass needs, give that number right there a call. All right, I'm gonna go in and we're gonna talk to Randy real quick. All right, guys, well, I imagine as all of y'all can see very, very easily right now, the new windshield that's in it, god damn, does it make this truck look way better. Like, even though it's rusty and filthy, like just the clean new windshield in it makes it look, wow, mint. And like, well, here's the old windshield, for instance, and actually something that Randy told me that's very interesting. You might not be able to see, but these two lines are actually the radio antenna for these trucks. I had no idea about that. So yeah, it connects right there, and then they run up and curl around and stop right about there. But that's the radio antenna for these trucks. That's why there's no antenna stock. That confused me. I thought this truck just didn't come with a radio antenna, but yeah, it's built into the windshield, and that is the coolest thing I've ever seen. But yeah, no, so we got it done. He's just taking care of a little bit of business with another customer, and we'll be out of here pretty quick. All right, guys, so we're all done here at Randy's. He's a good guy, but he doesn't like the camera, you know. But if you guys do ever need any windshield glass or anything, give him a call. He's a great guy. This windshield, brand spanking new, installed and all that. Now I'm a friend, so I got a little bit of a deal, but he did it for me for like 130 bucks. Now that's pretty freaking good for crystal clear vision. But because this windshield's so clean and so nice, it makes me feel guilty about the rest of the truck. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take it and we're gonna go get it cleaned, pressure washed. Yeah. All right, guys, so here we are in the pressure washing bay. Like, look at the size of the bay they gave me. This is like a semi bay. Like, oh, you got a pickup truck? Okay, you can go through here, but let's see here. Oop. Oh yeah, go.
Alright guys, so it might have been hard for you to see back in the actual wash bay just how clean the truck got, but you know, it doesn't look that good because, you know, water's still on. Once it's dry, it'll look a lot better. But actually, I have a new bumper for this, and it's going on soon. I might actually do that today. I don't know, I might. But yeah, and some of the old spray paint started to come off the truck. Like it's, well, look at it, it's in my fingers now even. But yeah, no, I think that means that this truck is gonna get a repaint of this stripe maybe sometime soon. I don't know. I think I'll just leave it alone for now. It is my beater pretty much, but it's also a project truck, so that means that it's gonna get better. It will get better. And sorry in advance about the wind noise, it's probably pretty bad, but the truck will get better. It will get more powerful. It will get cleaner. It will get repaint. But now it's time for the drive back home, because pretty much all done in town here. So yeah, I'm gonna go home, but we're gonna take the highway because I want to try and keep it somewhat clean. Alright guys, thanks for tuning in today. This wasn't, you know, a super duper interesting vlog or anything. Oh my gosh, wind noise, so sorry guys. But you know, it wasn't a super duper interesting vlog, but we got a couple things done, a couple important things. You know, we got the new windshield on, we got the truck cleaned up a little bit, you know, and we're starting to peel off some of the paint here, so we're gonna see what's under there soon enough, I think. But other than that, I hope you guys had a really good day and enjoyed the video. I will see you all in the next one. Later.